So hello guys, finally the Arcade August games are live. In case you haven't checked it, do check it out. And regarding the Arcade Facilitator program, the event is also live. Here I have uploaded the video, form and code are available here. Do watch the video and complete it. Now another important thing is that here you'll be getting bonus points. So make sure to join the Arcade Facilitator program. And now let's start the game. So here basically you have to click on start and sign into your Cloud Skills Boost account, and basically you have to just copy the code from here and just click on start. Let me show you how you have to start. You have to click on join the game and paste the code. So I will recommend here similarly you have to do for all the games. I'm showing 1 to 2 games, and likewise you have to do. And regarding the Arcade Facilitator program, as I said, the program will help you to gain bonus points. So do watch the video. I've shared the referral code and form link in the description also. You can just try and join the game and win exciting goodies. Don't miss this opportunity, guys. Form will be closing very soon, so do join it and let's complete the games. And regarding the solutions, show in this video only, basically you have to just like I have shown, you have to join the games like this and come to the playlist section. Currently most of the games are new, so the playlist will be updated soon. Do not worry, I will try my best. So do check the video, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you, have a great day.